The way that I've been thinking about all the shit I've done, hurtful tears I've cried, nigga never none. If you ever understood where I ever came from, this is the caveman with a cave gun. I'm engraved in stone and walk on sand. I live on the water, I am on the earth on man. I miss my daughter, I could really tell by the plan. I really wish I could have had her, you could understand. I would cry a few tears just to get her right back. Leave it in the hood and still run up on the sack. Leave it a cappella, but I leave it on the facts. I really love my mom and I never miss my dad. It's too bad, it's so sad that I grew up without that father figure in my lifestyle. Now I'm kicking it on the pad. But I guess things work out in strange ways. My mind is in a daze, but my eyes are staying glazed. Smoking on the haze and niggas staying deranged. All my niggas got penny nickel dimes, they out the frame. Everybody hated me, and now they want something. I could tell you the truth, but it gon' hurt someone. I loved her, but I never really knew it. She was stupid, she was thotty. Now I fell in love with hoes when I was in the back of a black Maserati just fucking cruising. My grandma told me, don't do it, grandson, you gonna be stupid. She prayed for me every day that I leave the streets. She don't wanna see me leave and never become a man that I could ever be. See, the enemies, this is a freestyle out my dome. This is real shit. I'm chilling in front of my home, smoking a cigarette, and the cigarette is staying long. The barrel on the gun gon' toss the bullet at you though. And if you hit it once, then you already gonna know that it is P-E-S-O, the T-H-E, the K-I-D. My sorrow's filling up in my body. I feel a blunt full of THC. You know what it be to me. All my enemies could rest in peace, but I would still love all of my friends. And now all of the talking is never where I begin. So if I wrote down on my notepad with a pen, I could cover up my lies with a sin. See, I lie in a bed full of sins and cover it up. Tears on her face, running over her makeup. I can never really tell her how she felt when we broke up or break up. I could play break up to make up on her face, but I don't really think about it. I just move in silence. I talk my mind. I'm really about it. If you living with me, you can never doubt it. This is a cappella. Yeah, I'm really about it. I'ma drop the mixtape and show the world about me. Nah, half the world would fucking doubt me. Guarantee to anything that you would ever be, you would never amount to me. I am the king of my city, please give back the crown. And if you really come around, then we is down for now. I tell people how I feel and how I move around. The police don't like me, so they know they watching out. And PES will tell them how we really feel about now. I'm like Billy the Kid, 2 guns drawn, sticking out. But in my mind, the lethal weapon is useful. If you want to do this, then you know how we do too. Boy, I go in, I'm kicking it like it's a dojo. I told your bad bitch to give me brain like she Mojo. This Fruity Pebble Kush is what I'm smoking on. Strong though. If you want that sour, eat your ramen noodles up, ho. But I'm walking out of the front door, thinking about and in this rap game and what I'm really about. My life could be a movie, but it's never on the scene. I could see my life on a TV screen and never be what it could be. But if I repeat all my felonies that I have comprehended, it's nothing. But in the sentence of anything that I'm rapping with, I was tracking with, this is how I do it. I'm living life out of suitcase and luggages is never what I'm carrying on. I carry the world on my shoulders and do it alone. I would love to write the songs that I could ever really tell you. I miss my homie Chris Sean, I love you. I felt for you, and now you hit it. I got it and I'm good. The white boy killing, but the boy is never from the hood. I feel like Little Herb, all I do is just smoke the herb. And now I'm going back and my brain is too absurd. And every time I hit it, I write it and then I'm good. And now I live my lifestyle the way I never would. That's my freestyle, straight out my mind.